So I'm going to introduce to you a few basic phrases in Spanish just to kind of gradually ease you into the learning mindset, the learning mind frame. And I want you to use the pictures to guess what each Spanish phrase means. Hola. Here's a conversation between two individuals using hola correctly. Hola. Hola. Think to yourself, what do you think hola means? And write it in the chat. Good. If you said hello, that's correct. Me llamo. Me llamo. Me llamo Ruth. Me llamo Eric. What do you think me llamo means? Judging from the context of this conversation, what do you think me llamo means? Good. You're introducing yourself. You're saying, my name is. My name is. Práctica. Pretend you are the person in the picture. Introduce yourself in Spanish using hola, me llamo. For example, if the person's name is Ruth, you would say, hola, me llamo Ruth. And this name is pronounced Alejandro. Alejandro. All right, you guys did a fantastic job with that one. Now we're on to our next segment. The phrase is ¿Cómo estás? And the responses would either be bien, mal, así, así. Observe the mock conversation. ¿Cómo estás? Bien. Looking at that picture underneath bien, what do you think is being asked and what do you think is the response? Good. ¿Cómo estás means how are you? And bien means good. And that's one of the clues I want you to use when you're learning a new language, using these context clues. So we have pictures, and we're able to put the different pieces together to kind of figure out what things mean. So very good. ¿Cómo estás? Mal. All right, we already determined that ¿Cómo estás means how are you? What do you think mal means, judging from the gentleman's face and the picture underneath mal? Bad. Good. ¿Cómo estás? Observe the video. All right, let's see what así means. We'll play it one more time. Oh, the answers are just flooding into the chat. So, okay, you're doing all right. All of those will work. Next, we have mucho gusto and encantado. All right, I see some valid attempts in the chat, but I want to clarify. Mucho gusto encantado, although we don't have this English practice of bowing and curtsying when we meet someone, it is saying nice to meet you or delighted to meet you. Mucho gusto encantado. That's what you do to be polite after you've just met someone. Mucho gusto.